This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on playing 4 different melodies. We'll be reading those melodies in standard music notation, as that is the focus of this lesson series, reading standard music notation, playing melodies in the opener first position. Of course, as we're playing these melodies, we'll be jamming right along with bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment, so it's going to be super fun. This video accompanies lesson 17 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we'll start on page 111. We'll be on pages 111 and 112. We're going to play songs 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, in the last video, we worked on the E flat major scale and the C minor scale. We know in the key of E flat, we've got a B flat, E flat, and A flat in the key signature, so all of those notes are going to be played. Anytime we run into them, we won't play the natural note, we'll play the flat version. And I went over in the last video how we find those. Of course, we know that flats are 1 fret lower than the natural note, which is easy to find except for our open strings. And with our open strings, we always go to the 4th fret of the string that's just lower than it, except when we're going from the 2nd string to the 3rd string. In that case, we only go to that 3rd fret. I went over all that in the last video, so we're just going to go ahead and start playing these melodies together, which are in the key of E flat major. So we want to make sure and play B flat, E flat, and A flat. Of course, you do want to watch with song number 10 for the A natural found in the 2nd measure of the 2nd line. So sometimes we get those accidentals. So we'll play an A major there because we have that accidental sign, that natural sign showing us that we're going to play A natural instead of playing A flat. But we're in the key of E flat major, and otherwise it's going to have A flat notes. All right, it's going to be super fun. Each one of these is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. Per our usual, keep that index finger in the 1st fret, middle in the 2nd, ring in the 3rd, and pinky in the 4th. And if you're struggling to keep up with any of these melodies, pause the video, work out the tricky spots, and then resume playing right along with me. But it's going to be a jam and good time, so let's go ahead and play these melodies. Okay, fantastic. In the next video, of course, we're going to do the last 4 melodies found with lesson 17 in the Note Reading Books 1 and 2 method book. So it's going to be super fun. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.